Managing your WordPress site can get messy if you don't handle deleted posts properly. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to manage the trash section in WordPress the right way so your site stays clean, organized, and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the WordPress homepage. On the top right corner, you'll see the Login In button. Click on it to securely access your dashboard. If you prefer an easy login method, select Continue with Google. It's fast, safe, and saves time. Choose the Google account connected to your WordPress site, and once you're signed in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, look at the left-hand menu and click on Post. This is where every post on your website lives, published, drafts, and even deleted ones. Inside the Post area, you'll notice a tab labeled Trash. Click on it to open your site's trash bin. Here, WordPress stores deleted posts temporarily. Think of it as a safety net. Your deleted posts aren't gone forever yet. From this section, you have two main options: restore or delete permanently. If you accidentally removed a post and want it back, just hover over it and click Restore. It'll return to your main post list instantly, but if you're sure a post is no longer needed, click Delete permanently to remove it from your site for good. Managing trash regularly keeps your WordPress dashboard neat, improves performance, and ensures you always know what content is active or archived. And that's it. A quick, clear way to manage your trash section in WordPress like a pro. Keeping your site tidy has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and keep your WordPress workflow clean and efficient.